How to restore old YouTube layout. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to restore old YouTube layout. To do this, what you want to do is first of all open your web store. So type in webstore.com, or you could just type in Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link that appears. So what we are going to do is we'll be using extension. So on the search bar, type in YouTube Redux. So this is the one. So here you want to click that out, click on add to Chrome, and make sure to enable the permission to add extension. Once this extension has been added, you could see this is the fill page. So right over here, if you're sure about it, you could go and read the terms. And what you need to do is open up a new tab, go to youtube.com and log in. So here you go. This is the older version of YouTube. And in order to disable the older version, you simply want to make sure to go to the extension icon and click this out, or just click on the remove button, or just go to manage extension. And here you have these options, right? So toggle the button and click on remove, confirm this, and that's how it's done. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.